Alright, trying to get the water jacket drain plugs out. You got some double diesel? Get it good and hot. Ooh, that's ready. Wait, that's cool. Alright, spray it, baby. Let it go in.
KVC.
Smoky.
Where's that?
Smoky. There you go. Works every time if you're patient. Keyword is if you're patient.
That by hand. Got that?
Is it that plugged full of shit? Stab it. Put a little screwdriver in there. Stab it. It looks like it's plugged up. This side might actually be empty and the other side might be what's piddling. But you know what? We need to do it either way.
Yeah.
Stab it. There you go. Stick it in. Wow. There it goes. The schmutz was that heavy in that one.
Never said.
A little torch action to take care of it as usual. I wonder how full of schmutz it's going to be like the other side. You had to stab the other side with a screwdriver like 6 times.
Really? Nope.
Oh, this one's actually... Oh. There we go.
Fresh coolant in there, looks like.
I mean, at least it's clean. Oh yeah, it was the left side for sure. This one. Really?
Okay, there goes that thing.
Right? This can make you pee and pee and pee.